Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will start our lesson from unit number 1, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, inexhaustible patience and mercy. Our topic is common and proper noun. SLOs of this lesson is demonstrate use of common and proper nouns. I hope, dear student, you have learned about the common noun and proper noun in your previous class too. Let's take a quick recap. Common nouns are general names and they are not capitalized, where the proper nouns are specific names and they do require capitalization. Let's take a look here. These are the common nouns: man, mountain, ocean, state, country, building, cat, website. A man, like it can be any man. It is not specified here. That's why it is called common noun. A mountain can be any mountain, an ocean, a state, a country, building, cat or website. But here look at the proper noun. The one big difference is it is always start with the capital letter. Look at here. And they are specific names of people, place, things. Look at here. Ahmad, Sarah. Man can be any, but if we write Ahmad, it will be a proper noun. A mountain, here we have only discussed it can be any mountain, but here the mountain Ketu is specified. Look at this common noun. It can be any ocean, but here in proper noun, two ocean names are specified: Atlantic Ocean and Indian Ocean. Look at the state: Minnesota and California. Country: United States and Australia. Building: Empire State Building. Here the cat names also specified here: Buttons and Fluffy. Look at the last one. Website can be any website, but here the specific website is mentioned here: English Grammar Revolution. Yes. Now look at the exercise. We have given sentences here. For each sentence you have to choose one right option. There are given 4 options for each sentence, but you need to choose the right one for each sentence. Here look at the first one, which is a common noun here: Atif, boy, Aslam or Amir. We are talking about here about common noun. Yes, it will be a boy. Look at the second one, which is a common noun here: cricket, monopoly, tennis, game. Yes, game, because all of these are specific names of a game. Monopoly is another game, tennis is another, and the cricket is another. But here all these are commonly included in this common noun game. Now look at the third one, which is a common noun: book, 5 famous, Archie, Tarzan. Let me tell you, these are the names of books. So here the common noun will be a book. Look at the fourth one, which is a proper noun here: state, province, city, Lahore. Yes, it will be Lahore because it is specified here. And also Lahore has a capital L in its start. Look at the 5th one, which is a proper noun here: songs, stories, Cinderella or cartoon. Yes, Cinderella. Here the Cinderella name is specified and it has a capital letter in the start, C. Look at the sixth one, which is a common noun here. Season, spring, summer or winter. Here all of the three, it is included in season. So here the season is a common noun. Look at the seventh one, which is a proper noun here. Mountain, Ketu, hill, a cliff. Yes, we have also discussed it in our examples. Here the Ketu is a proper noun. Look at the eighth one, which is a proper noun. Here, flower, bush, jasmine, plant. Yes, jasmine name is specified here, a flower name, and all of the three can be included in plants and flower. Dear student, this is your homework from summer pack. What you need to do, first read the question, choose the correct option and write a few lines about it. Which of the following sentence has common noun? You have to choose the right one here. Why have you chosen this option? From which SLO has this MCQ been taken? You have to few line about it here. Look at the second one. Find the proper noun in the following. Read story book Aisha. Look at the page number 3 of your summer pack. Which is the correct combination of common noun and proper noun in the following? You have to choose the right option, the combination of both common noun and proper noun. Look at the fourth one. Common noun in the following sentence is, you have to choose the right option here and you have to give your reason why you selected option right. There is activity here. Look around in your surrounding environment and think of the names of the objects and the people. Make two categories of them, proper noun and common noun. I hope dear student you can do it easily. तो डियर स्टूडेंट हमने आज कॉमन नाउन और प्रॉपर नाउन के बारे में पढ़ा. कॉमन नाउन आम चीजों का नाम होता है, जैसे कि बॉय, गर्ल, सिटी, फ्लावर एक्सेट्रा. लेकिन प्रॉपर नाउन वो होते हैं जो स्पेसिफाइड हो, जो पर्टिकुलराइज्ड हो और उनका पहला लेटर जो होता है हमेशा कैपिटल होता है. जैसे कि हमने यहां पर देखा, अगर हम मैन की बात करें तो कोई भी मैन हो सकता है, ये कॉमन नाउन होगा. लेकिन यहां पर प्रॉपर नाउन में हम स्पेसिफिकली अहमद की बात कर रहे हैं तो ये प्रॉपर नाउन होगा और इसका पहला लेटर जो है हमेशा कैपिटल होगा. इसी तरह बाकी एग्जांपल्स भी देखें. प्रॉपर नाउन ऐसे होते हैं जो स्पेसिफिक नाम होते हैं और कॉमन नाउन आम चीजें जिसमें सब कुछ इंक्लूड हो जाता है. इसके बाद आपका होमवर्क है समर पैक से. मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप लोग ये कर लेंगे. हमने कॉमन नाउन और प्रॉपर नाउन को अच्छी तरह से समझा. Students, this is your homework from unit number 1. You have to underline countable, uncountable and collective nouns from the text. Just read the text and underline countable, uncountable and collective nouns. You have to underline it and write it on it. If you are underlining the countable noun, you have to write like this. And if you are underlining the uncountable, like this in a short form. We discussed the abbreviation form when we write the words in a short form. Dear students, I hope you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.